Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana bread without yeast. First, gather your key ingredients. You will need about 3 very ripe bananas, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. For the dry components, have 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda ready. These simple items are the foundation for a wonderfully moist loaf. Now, let's get mixing for that perfect texture. Begin by mashing your 3 ripe bananas in a large bowl. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of oil, and 3/4 cup of sugar until well combined. Then, gradually add the 1 3/4 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the wet ingredients, mixing just until no dry streaks remain. Do not overmix. It's time to bake your banana bread to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease and flour a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for approximately 50 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean when ready. Here are some tips and delicious variations to elevate your banana bread. Always use very ripe bananas with plenty of brown spots for the best flavor and natural sweetness. For an extra treat, fold in about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, walnuts, or pecans with the dry ingredients. Once baked and cooled, store your banana bread tightly wrapped in plastic wrap or foil at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze slices for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.